Fossil fuels contribute to global warming and climate change, and they still cost a lot. What if we say there is one solution to reduce your factory's energy costs and to make you achieve your sustainability goals? Interested? Then let's go on. Heat is widely used in production processes all around the world. 99% of the heat used in industry is generated from fossil fuels: coal, fuel oil, and natural gas. Energy from fossil fuels makes up to 25% of production costs, and most countries are dependent on imported fossil fuels. Their prices are volatile, and their supply is subject to political risks. But we have some good news for you. There is an energy source available in unlimited quantities, right here on your own land. It is the sun. LUCIDASOLAR converts the sun's energy into heat for industrial processes. This clean and reliable heat will help you lower your energy bill and reduce your carbon footprint. LUCIDASOLAR's innovative CSP system concentrates the sun's rays to produce medium-temperature heat. It can be integrated easily into the existing infrastructure to become the secondary supplier of thermal energy for industrial production. This is the world's most efficient CSP solution for industrial heat. LUCIDA's collectors track the sun along two axes. Dual tracking enhances the system's efficiency and maintains high performance all day long and throughout the year. Thanks to their modular structure, multiple LUCIDA units can be installed in different combinations. More than 5 gigawatt-hours of thermal energy can be produced from a solar field with the size of a football pitch, each year, every year. We produce affordable solar heat to add value to your business and to help protect the environment. Are you ready to join the change and work with us? 'Cause we are harvesters of the sun. We are LUCIDA.